Nakakita po tayo ng another kind of fractal patterns. Hi guys, nakita naman po tayo ng another kind of pattern which is fractals, and ito po yung example niya na guys, nakakita naman po tayo ng another dendritic tree. Nakakita na naman po ako ng another kind of fractals examples. Example of dendritic tree. Hi guys, nakakita na naman po tayo ng another example of pattern which is spots and stripes. Nakita naman po tayo ng another example of fractals. Another kind of example of spots and stripes. Another example po ng pattern which is spots and stripes. Another example of cracks. Hi guys, nakita po tayo ng another kind of pattern which is sapot ng gagamba. Another example of pattern which is cracks. Nakakita naman po tayo ng another kind of pattern which is yung clouds. Example of chaos pattern. Nakita tayo ng sapot ng gagamba na pwede nating i-consider as fractals. Naglalakad-lakad po tayo at nakakita naman tayo ng example of pattern which is cracks. Habang naglalakad ako ay nakakita ako ng isang baton na merong pattern which is crystal habit pattern. At dito nagtatapos ang aking vlog. Thank you!